All right, so when I went to Las Vegas, they had a sale going on, and they had these for $1. 200 grams, pretty little plane, made by Bright Star. Let me know in the comment section if you think this was worth it. I had to bust out the torch for this one. There we go. Seven shots. Last one. What do you guys think? Was it worth it?